This is a self-hypnosis session. No one is hypnotizing you. You are hypnotizing yourself. These are words you'll speak silently in your own mind, as though you're gently guiding yourself. Make sure you're in a safe, quiet place, not driving, not operating machinery, and free from interruptions. This time belongs completely to you. Let us begin. I allow the sound of my own voice to quiet my mind and relax my body. With every slow breath, I become calmer, more comfortable, and more focused within. I imagine myself walking along a peaceful path. Each step helps me let go of the outside world and move deeper into my own mind ahead. I see a beautiful building. I recognize it immediately because it belongs to me. I walk through the front doors, feeling calm, confident, and completely safe. Inside, I step into an elevator and press the button marked 10 as the elevator gently descends. I count silently to myself: 10, relaxing; 9, letting go; 8, drifting deeper; 7, feeling peaceful; 6, my mind becoming wonderfully clear; 5, halfway there; 4, calm and comfortable; 3, open to positive change; 2, almost there; 1, the doors open, and I easily enter a pleasant state of self-hypnosis. I step into a warm reading room. A comfortable chair waits just for me. I sit down and notice a beautiful book resting on a small table. The title reads, "I Create Financial Freedom." I smile, open the book, and begin reading. Every word feels true, because these are my own thoughts, my own discoveries, my own wisdom. I realize that debt never had power over me. Fear gave it power. Confusion gave it power. Avoiding it gave it power. And now those illusions quietly fade away. I see my finances clearly, and clarity feels peaceful. I no longer fear looking at numbers, because numbers are simply information. And information helps me make wise decisions. Each day, I naturally become more confident with money. I enjoy making choices that strengthen my future. I easily recognize the difference between wants and needs, and making good decisions feels satisfying. I appreciate every dollar that comes into my life, and I use it wisely. Money flows through my life with purpose, bringing security, opportunity, and freedom. I notice myself paying bills with growing confidence, watching balances become smaller, and feeling proud of every step forward. Every payment represents progress. Every wise choice builds momentum. Every day, I move closer to complete financial freedom. I no longer believe that escaping debt requires suffering. Understanding replaces struggle. Confidence replaces fear. Peace replaces worry. I release the old belief that debt controls my life. I am the one making decisions now. I feel calm when I think about money. I feel capable. I feel resourceful. I feel hopeful. I trust myself to handle my finances wisely. The more relaxed I become, the easier it is to notice opportunities, solve problems, and make decisions that improve my financial future. I deserve financial peace. I deserve security. I deserve freedom. I enjoy watching my savings grow. I enjoy spending thoughtfully. I enjoy living within my means, because it gives me something far more valuable: peace of mind. As dirt becomes smaller, my confidence becomes stronger. As my confidence grows, I naturally create greater abundance. I imagine waking tomorrow feeling lighter, calmer, and optimistic. I see myself making one smart financial choice after another, almost automatically. These choices become habits. These habits become my new identity. I am someone who manages money with wisdom. I am someone who creates financial freedom. I am someone who feels safe, secure, and in control. Now it's time to awaken. I count from 1 to 5. 1. Bringing back energy. 2. Becoming aware of my surroundings. 3. Feeling refreshed, confident, and optimistic. 4. Carrying these new beliefs into my day. 5. Eyes open, fully alert, feeling calm, empowered, and free.